Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, doing another video. I'm going to do a lot more, obviously going into summer, as many as I can. I'm going to start doing videos again, more helpful updates as much as I possibly can. As the channel suggests, is electric vehicle living day today. I want to do some more videos around charging. I think there's a lot of confusion around charging and getting chargers started and the plethora of blooming apps in it that you need to carry. So that's on the cards. I want to do some more range testing, but today I'm starting with the April/May update. I've downloaded the update. It is over 32 gigs, and you do need a 64 or greater than 32 gig, which is 64 gig flash drive. It's on the Hyundai page. I'll attach the pictures and that I took while I was doing the download. So I'm going to do the upgrade now. For you, it'll take a couple seconds. For me, I'm going to wait probably about 2 hours or so when you take the dogs out and I can check the vehicle again. But let me start the update. Okay, so I've plugged the USB in and started it up. As you can see over here, we've got, it says a March 14 update. On the website it does say 26th of April, which is interesting, but we'll do it on anyways. So I'm going to do updates after vehicle is turned off. I'm going to say okay. Successfully scheduled is removed. Cancel. We have 67% there, so it'll charge the 12 volts if needed. Let's say okay, and we're going to switch it off. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to get out, lock and go. Alright, so it's finished updating. Let's hit details here. Let's see what it gives us. This seems to be the generic. What's new? Eco, French, Spanish. Yeah, this is the same as the last update. I'm going to have a quick browse through and then we'll check. So let's check here. Let's go into the general and let's check. So there is the update 230314 that we did. Updated today. So I just had a look. I'm definitely on, somehow picked up a different update on the vehicle. It's showing that March 14th, but according to Hyundai websites on my 22 Ioniq, I should be getting the 26th of April update. I'm going to investigate further and I'll let you know. Good morning. So I say good morning because I did the update a couple days ago. And an update to 230314 on the software version by the looks of it, and there should be a 230426 version. So I re-downloaded the download last night onto the flash drive. I'm going to plug it in now and do the update again. Maybe we get the April update. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to plug the flash drive in. Let's see what it says. So it's reading the USB. Oh, there we go. Now it picks up the 230426. So it looks like the March update was mandatory. So you need the March update before you can get the April update. That's awesome. Okay. So we're in again updates after vehicle is turned off. Hit OK. Social storage is low. We charged the car last night. We're on 87%. So we say okay. And let's see. Why is there no button popping up? It looks like it worked. So I'm on the 230426 update. So let's have a quick look. Usually doesn't give anything on these what's new pages, but let's check it out. So there we can see that update is done. Let's go into details. Let's see if it gives us anything new. So EV replanning. Oh, there we go. So it now adds charging. Okay. Oh, that's it. So that is the main one. So it does update now. So the main one is the EV route planning update. So we'll play more with that and we can check it out. So let's go setup. General. Okay, so there we go. So updated today. We're on the 230426. Okay, so it updated the firmware. I noticed before I did this update, I was on 22.11 or something on firmware, so it's updated some firmware here as well, which is interesting. Cool. I'll play more and we'll do a full update. So I just set in my charging now, and I noticed since the, let's call it the May update, the April update, they've changed this screen so you can change your max percentage and your charging current. It used to be like maximum, normal and reduced or something like that. It's now changed to 100, 90 or 60%. So I'm going to set it to 60% because I'm going to just charge overnight because I like to do a longer charge. And let's see what that does.